Hey everyone, this is Jennifer at GreenEyes811 on Twitter. I'm doing a unbagging video for Flipped Bird. I did a video on some of the stuff that I got from them before. It was a grab bag that I had bought from them, and I still have the tote and everything. I still have everything, but I use the tote more than anything. I've got my folders and everything in here, and I still have the hair ties, which I had them around here somewhere. I keep them in my little glass beer, and I still use them a lot. See, they're still very stretchy. They do kind of fold up when you use them. I've used them for a while now, so they do kind of get a little crinkly and folded up, and they're not as tight on my wrist as they used to be. See, it's kind of loose right here. So that's those. See, this one's all kind of rolled up. And I kind of do think that they make an indent in your hair. But see, I'm wearing one right now. My hair's in a little bun. And I take it out and see, it's kind of there. Now, I've had my hair up all day, but my hair does need to be washed too. So, but I love the hair ties, so I decided to order me some more hair ties from Flipped Bird and a bag. I chose the messenger bag. So I've got my stuff right here. It's not very big. Just a little flat rate thing, I guess. Yeah, flat rate envelope. It came really fast. The shipping was really, really fast. So now I'm going to unbag it. Really hard to do. They got it extra taped. There we go. All right. Well, if you remember the scarf that I got and the headband, I really liked that print pattern that's on there. So I got the messenger bag that matches it. So this is the messenger bag. It's all wadded up so it'll fit in there. But I bought it. Let's see. Here is the strap there, and it folds over like this. It's got a little flap, see? And I was kind of worried about stuff falling out, you know, because there is no zipper closure on this. See, I just opened the flap and there it is. It's like a tote, you know. But I figure if you have your stuff organized pretty good, you know, makeup in like a separate little bag or something, and you know, of course have your change purse or whatever, you wouldn't have to worry about stuff going everywhere. It would be kind of organized. But this is their messenger bag, and this here's the pattern, just like the scarf and headband that I got. You can flip it and reverse it. This pocket here would go on the inside once I reversed it, and the pocket that's on the inside would go on the outside. And it would be this pattern if I flipped it. But I like the yellow and that. I like that. And it hangs really good too. It should hang like right in a good spot. Let's see. It hangs right, you know, on your hip. On my hip anyways, it does. The strap feels good. Let's see. And that is the messenger bag. I also ordered more hair ties, like I told you. This here, see, oh, I've got all kinds of little stuff in here. Okay. I've got a 10% off if I refer a friend. Let's see. Yep, got a coupon. I got free shipping and 10% off if I refer a friend. Alright. Oh. Suckers. I'll just give these to my kids. This here is, I ordered the flower jar full of headbands and the hair ties that I have already. And I was wondering about this because I was wondering if the flower jar was plastic or glass. I think it's plastic, but I don't know. And I ordered the lime green flower. So it came in a separate little box, which was inside this thing. So we shall see. Oh. It's not plastic. It is glass.
Mom, you're done yet?
No, not done yet. Not done yet.
Okay.
See, this is it. It is a glass jar, which I really like because now I can take all these out of here and put it into this little thing. And see, they have their little, it feels like suede logo right here. It says Flipped Bird. And it looks really cute. You could probably actually make one of these jars yourself, and the hair ties even, but I thought it was cute, so I just ordered it. And I think it's supposed to come with like two headbands and 8 stretchy hair ties. I'm not sure, but we can open it up and see. I got my lime green flower here. I love it. The jar lid is plastic, but this is glass. So we've got one on the outside here. We've got one that is a green stripedy one. Let's see what else we got. We've got an orange rust color. So that's 2. We've got a red, 3, blue, pretty blue too. That's a really pretty blue color. 4, gray, yep, silver gray. 5, 6, which this looks like a pink. 7, 8. This is an orange one. Now, let's see these. These should be the hair ties. Or not hair ties, but, sorry, headbands. These are the headbands. See how big they are? I don't really wear headbands, but I seen another YouTube video where a girl took this and used it as a hair tie. So, but that is exactly what it came with. It came with 2 headbands and 8 hair ties. So, you can either make your own jar and hair ties, or you can order them from flippedbird.com. I really like all of their hair ties, and I like their bags. The material is really nice. You know, decent prices on stuff. And if you use the code HAPPY, I think you get like 10% off or something at checkout. So, I like it. check out flippedbird.com. Have a good day, afternoon, night, whatever it is, and follow me on Twitter at greeneyes811. Thank you.